Okay, my I spy. Well...
Let me guess, another tree? Or is it rails? We've been on this route a cajillion times. There's nothing new for your eyes to spy.
It was a tree. Well, my I spy something blue. Is it me? No, they have a beautiful smell. So, not me. Diesel's right. There's nothing to see here except the tracks and trees. Yes, there is. It's those blue flowers right beside the tracks. Oh, I never noticed those. Nia, how do you even see this stuff? Well, we don't have those flowers where I grew up in Kenya. When I saw them, I thought they were so beautiful. And they only grow in Sodor.
Okay, but really, what's your secret?
Everywhere I go, I ask myself, what's awesome about this place? Let me try. My I spy... Those hanging vines! Those flowers are pretty awesome. And, oh, my I spy that shadow you're making, Nia. It looks just like a dinosaur. Awesome! Wow!
Oh, let me try. I spy this gravel. Oh, that's so amazing. And that rusty old switch. So beautiful.
It's true. I never noticed that rusty switch before. Now you're getting it. There's so much to see if you just take a moment to look around.
I know. I've been in the dark woods so many times, but everywhere I look, I see new things. It's blowing my mind.
Let's catch up to Nia. Guys, you'd better slow down. Slow down? Whoa! Stop! Bust my bumpers, that was close. Whoa! Trees.
We can't show up at the plaza without those amazing orange trees.
But I'm sure we can think of something else to bring. Nia's right. There must be something else we can do.
No, nothing will be as awesome as those orange trees. Except maybe those orange flowers in that bush I never noticed before.
We can use flowers from Sodor for the plaza. Oh, yeah. We passed lots of plants that would be perfect. Great idea!
I'm going as fast as I can.
Sorry, I'm just so excited. Can I help you get done sooner?
Really? That'd be great. Can you take this big bulb over to Vickerstown Lighthouse?
No problem.
Thanks, Thomas. Switch on 1, 2, 3.
Great! See you at the docks in a little bit.
Great. Oh, and don't use a shortcut through Crumble Canyon. It's supposed to be really windy and crumbly today.
Crumble Canyon? Got it!
Thanks, Thomas. I thought Percy was delivering this light bulb today.
He was. I'm just helping him out so he can meet the rest of us at the docks when the telescope gets here. That's Bulstrode. He's got the telescope. You got this, Collie?
Yes,
Great! I gotta get to the docks. See ya! Thomas! I can't wait to see that telescope. I know. I'll take a shortcut through Crumble Canyon. What did Percy say about Crumble Canyon again? Something about it being windy? Whoa! And crumbly? Hey guys, is the telescope here yet?
Not yet. Bulstrode should be here any. Thomas, what happened?
What do you mean?
Thomas, I told you not to cut through Crumble Canyon.
So that's what you said. I knew it was something like that.
You look terrible. Like, really terrible.
Huh? I just got a little dinged up. No biggie.
Thomas, what on earth? You have to get to Tidmouth right now.
Right now? But I want to see the new telescope.
No buts. You have to get repainted immediately. You don't want to rust, do you?
Rust?
I'm so glad you came to see me. You've got a bad case of the scrapes.
Aww. I can't believe I'm going to miss Cranky unloading the new telescope.
Scratches and dings do turn to rust if you don't fix them, Thomas.
And you don't want rust, Thomas. Rust is the worst. I hear it's super itchy and scratchy and really uncomfortable.
Oh, it is. You should be fine, Thomas. See? Got you all fixed up with a fresh new coat of paint. Good as new.
We'll do it together, like roller coaster cars.
And you're our passenger, nice and safe in the middle.
Shall we give it a try?
This is kind of cozy. Sure.
Up, up, up the hill we go. Click, 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 click. Ready?
I can do this. I'm safe in the middle. It's not so bad. I take it back. This is terrible.
That wasn't so bad, was it?
That was totally awesome. The wind in my face, my boiler was bubbling. It was really scary, but not really. But really, really, but not. My wheels are still shaking. What's next?
This is the darkest, scariest tunnel in Sodor.
It'll be just like the screen tunnel on a real roller coaster.
But this isn't so dark or scary.
How about now?
Oh, cool! Oh, are we done screaming?
You're pretty good at screaming.
Yeah, I've had a lot of practice. That was like flying in the dark, only scarier and more fun. What's next?
Come on, you're going to love this. Yeah, we all get scared, it's a feeling that's shared. You can go slow, just watch your courage grow. Face any fears
Without shedding any tears.
And just to be clear, we're your friends and we're here. Welcome to the biggest, twistiest, steep turniest tracks in all of Sodor.
That sounds like Cannonball Curve.
Yep, it's a big curve like a roller coaster. I know you're a little scared, but we're right behind you. So if you...
I know. Let's go. Faster!
Come on!
Our passengers have never seen anything like this before.
Awesome.
We're almost to the seashore. No more dark tunnels.
Nope, nothing but beautiful scenic countryside.
Huh? The bridge is up.
And no electricity to bring it down.
What will we do? Kana, dear, can you do something?
Kana, are you able to connect to the bridge like you did to the tunnel?
Electric idea. Let's find out. I can plug in and power the bridge. No power, no problem.
Connor. Let's roll. Connor, is something wrong?
The bridge is down, but now so is my battery. I'm out of power. It's okay. Go on to Vickerstown. I'll be fine.
Grab on, Connor. Everything's connected, right? Now you're connected to me, and I'm going to Vigorstown.
Way to go, Percy! On the left is the Vickerstown Lighthouse. It's dark right now, but when it's lit up, it's...
Spectacular!
Incredible!
Just beautiful. Thank you. We definitely got our scenic route as promised, Thomas.
Well, the electricity is all connected, but so are we. We all did it together.
Yep.
I'm sure this tour will be the highlight of their visit. Oh, Annie, I made a pun. Oh, you did. Good one, Clary.
Hi there. I'm all charged up and ready to go.
Come on, why don't we all connect for the ride home? Hook me in.
I'll lead the way. Electric. We were just chasing a rainbow.
Yeah. Every time we get close, it runs away.
Wait, did this rainbow have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet colours?
Have you seen it?
Well then, you're closer than you think.
There it is!
Come on, let's go see what's at the end of that rainbow. What is at the end of a rainbow? Maybe it's a huge bushel of whistles. Hey, wait for me! Woohoo! Nothing can stop us now. Wow! I've never seen that mountain before. Yeah, I can see the rainbow, but I don't see a way up the mountain.
These tracks just go around the mountain, not up.
It's hopeless. Without tracks to the top, we'll never reach the rainbow. It's impossible.
What's impossible?
There's a rainbow up there that we're trying to catch.
Cool. It looks like we could get to that track from behind those bushes.
You found the secret entrance.
I did? I did.
But how do we get over there? The tracks are broken. Don't worry. One rainbow railway coming right up.
Have no fear. Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clack clack here
And snap snap there.
Here a clack, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap.
Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing.
Here a clack, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap. Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly.
Yes!
Thanks, Sandy.
Wow! Come on, everyone. Full steam ahead.
What's at the end of the rainbow? Hey! It's gonna be a great surprise. What's at the end of the rainbow's bend? You won't believe your eyes. Hey! It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be?
The end of the rainbow. Ooh. Look at the colours. Wow. Awesome.
Yeah.
So much for my plan. Now I'll never get to carry Floaty in the parade. Wait! She's coming back!
Almost.
It's too high. Even my steam is pushing her away. Wait a second.
And now it's even further away.
That means we can use the steam to push the balloon where we want to. But even if we push her to Vicarstown, we'll never catch her that high up. Then it's time to improvise. Improvise?
Yeah, you know, make it up as we go.
Okay then, let's improvise. Hey, if we push Floaty to Lookout Mountain, we can grab it from above.
But how are we going to hook up back onto you, Leah?
Sandy and Carly have hooks.
Yeah, I'll go get them. We'll fast track and meet you at the top of Lookout Mountain.
Thanks, Kana. Come on, Thomas, I know just the route. A little puff here. And a little puff there. Hey, look! There's Carly and Sandy with Kana.
Up here!
Howdy! Hey, down there. This is it. Let's give Floaty one last push. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Come on!
It's coming up higher than we thought.
Don't worry. I got it. I got it. Yes.
Nice job.
Nice one, Sandy.
Yeah.
Totally awesome. Whoa. Hang on, Sandy. Gotcha, Sandy. Thanks, Carly. Whoa. Hang on. Hold on. Hang on. Yep, we got you. Come on. Yeah.
Electric.
Epic. I don't see anything. Me neither. Maybe if we move to them like we did this morning, they'll move back, and then we can find them. It's like a listening game. Moo! 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 I heard that. Moo? It's coming from over there. Do tractors moo? No, but cows do. Hooray! We did it! 4 cows down, 6 to go. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. I heard that! There a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. That's 5. And 6 cows! Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. 7 cows! Moo-moo! 8 and 9 cows. 10 cows! That's the last one. Let's move out. We're back. And just in time. The gate is all fixed so the cows can come home. Slow and steady. Cows, come on down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh. 10! Yeah! Woohoo!
10 cows? Excellent work keeping track of them all. You must have really paid attention.
Actually, we played attention.
Played attention?
Yeah, we played games that helped us pay attention.
Well, it obviously worked.
Speaking of playing, who wants to sing Old MacColl Had a Farm on the way home?
Me! I do.
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old MacColl had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he had some cows.
Maybe we shouldn't sing about cows.
Chickens?
Perfect.
With a bark here and a bark there, everywhere a bark.
Old MacColl had